Hello friends, my name is Neelam Tarange and today's video topic is memory management or memory allocation in Java. What is memory management? A memory management is nothing but allocation or deallocation of objects is known as memory management. Mm, the Java supports automatically memory management system is nothing but a garbage collection. Mm, is nothing but a garbage collection. We do not require to write code for memory management in your application because it is automatically memory allocation or deallocation in a Java. There are two types. There are main two types of memory management. First one is a stack memory and second one is a heap memory. Stack memory is used for execution of a code, and a heap memory is used for storage of a storage of a values. In a stack memory we can store the reference variable which is present in your code, and in a heap memory we can store methods, class name, super class name, constructors, etc. Let's see the how to work the stack memory. When we create an object, for example, student s1 equals to new student parasynthesis. In this way we can create the object. Here s1 is the reference variable and the object is a student parasynthesis is a object. In parasythesis we can passes the parameters, then we can write the parameters in the parasythesis brackets. When we cannot passes the parameters, then we cannot write the we cannot write parameters under the parasythesis bracket in the object creation. When we create an object, let's see. S1 is the reference variable which is stored in a stack, and the objects which is created by this reference variable which is stored in a heap memory. Heap memory. When we call the main method of a program, then the reference variable which is present in the stack to point the methods which are present in a heap memory. For example, s1 is a reference variable which points the methods which is present in a heap memory. In this way, the stack and heap memory can be work. The why heap memory is called as a storage device, because in heap memory there is a stack control literals. There is a sorry there is a stack control which can be used in a future. When we store one program or one object in a heap memory, and we can write again that program in or call again to that object, then the stored object then the already stored object can be called. It cannot required to store again in a heap memory. In this way, the heap memory and stack memory can be worked in Java. Thank you.